Hello world, it's me Joey again with Spine and Rehab Specialists, coming at you with today's topic on a lumbar roll. A piece of polyurethane foam. You know, what's to it? This is something that I actually have invested in that helps me get through my day whenever I'm sitting down, documenting, doing my paperwork. This is also something that I frequently prescribe to my patients who are not only experiencing low back pain, but pain in the mid-back, neck, sometimes even shoulder pain. This is mainly to align the spine when you're sitting down for long periods of time, such as when you're at work, at home, traveling in the air or on the road. Anytime you're going to sit for more than 20 minutes, put this on your back. Right now I'll show you how to use it. There's nothing to it. It's really simple, so let's get to it. Okay, so this lumbar roll. All right, and first of all, I'm going to start talking about this strap, okay? And I'm going to talk about what it's not for, first of all. I often see the mistake of it being here, and patients sit down, right? Yes, you're using the lumbar roll, but you're not using it correctly. So now this strap, all right, is actually to put around you, and I'll demonstrate, and like that, okay? This may look a little funny, but I've actually seen videos of LeBron James wearing his lumbar roll whenever he's at his son's games. So think about that. Now, what I like to do is I like to just keep it like this, free floating, right? Because every time you're sitting down, your position is going to change, right? So what I recommend when you invest in one of these, keep it free floating. And all you got to do, it's very simple. Bring the chair close to you, all right? Sit all the way back. Bring your butt all the way to the back of the chair. Put that lumbar roll in the small of your back or wherever you feel that tightness on your back. All right? That's it. There's nothing magical about this piece of polyurethane foam roll. All it is to cue you from slouching. Okay? You can slouch using this thing, but you really have to try to, okay? That's what this lumbar roll is for, is to cue you, okay? When you're here and you start to get tired, it's just a simple reminder to just keep straight, okay? That alone will help you strengthen your core muscles, more of your posture muscles, to help this posture become a little more natural and not so awkward at first.